Hello, I'm Tony Hiscott from HISAT, and I'm going to introduce you today to three products that we sell. I've got the GbSAT 69906 meter, I've got the flat 440, and I've got the camping tripod. This meter, it's kind of semi-professional. Certainly a professional could use it to set up the satellite dish in a home. But I think it's also got a very good use as a little TV that you can take with you to a camping environment. What I'm showing you here is the screen that allows me to search for a channel, and this is something that you would probably do at home before you go to your place where you're going to be on holiday. I've selected a frequency for BBC One and Channel 5. And it's just a simple matter to search all the channels that are on there, and it's just done that. If I press OK and I exit now, I've now immediately got what I've got on screen here is a picture of BBC One London. If I press OK, I've got the channels that I've just scanned in, and I can scan in everything before I set out on my breakaway. Now this has got a full featured meter, and so this meter will charge up in about 4 hours, and then it will give you about 2 hours of TV. Just behind the meter here, which I'll turn off briefly, I've got the full kit that comes with the meter. So I've got the carry case, I've got a power supply for the car, which is here. I've got a power supply for the home with an adapter so you can use it in Europe or in the UK. A strap for the carry case. A data cable which can be used to change the software in the meter should that become necessary. A little software disk, which you probably will not use, but it's there. And then this cable, which allows you to put the output from this meter onto a TV, or put video from another source onto the meter. It can be used either way. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go outside and show you the meter actually practically in use on a couple of other products. Okay, so here we are outside with our meter. I'm just going to switch it on. Now while we're waiting for the meter to start, which is only going to take a second or two, this is the flat 440. It's got a double reflector. The signal comes in through the front, it's reflected off the back of the dish, then reflects off this little disc, and then the LMB is in the back here. And this is much neater and nicer for putting in the boot of your car or in a caravan. Just got a standard tripod, which is like a reverse umbrella, collapsible, up in a few seconds. I've got my meter connected. The last thing I looked at was BBC One London. I can turn my dish around on top of here.
It's now just after 9 AM.
And I'm now watching BBC One London. And I can be using this in a tent. The charge, as I say, on this meter will last for a couple of hours, so I can watch my soap operas, I can watch the news, I can watch anything that's free to air, not only from Astra 2 of course, but from any other satellite across Europe. Okay.